Dear all friends, associates and well-wishers, greetings from Vas Engineering Products. In this presentation we shall discuss how to properly install the Vas-designed MCL or the Mechanical Control Linkage onto the Vas Power Take-Off Split-Shaft Gearbox drive. After assembly during trial run and testing of the gearbox, all major adjustments to the mechanical control linkage are fine-tuned to meet the specific requirement of 38 mm displacement needed to maneuver the shifting between the drive line and power takeoff mode. At the time of dispatch, the MCL is disconnected from the gearbox and is placed separately in the wooden box along with the PTO gearbox. If the MCL cable has to be disconnected from the lever bracket, it shall explode into the following parts: pin, clamp bracket, nut 8 mm, adjuster nuts, flexible ball bracket, flexible MCL cable, and the hand lever. During the installation of the hand lever in the driver's cabin, people will dismantle all the components of the mechanical control linkage so that the cable could slide through a narrow hole not bigger than 1 inch diameter in the driver's cabin. However, during reassembly please note to align the adjuster nuts and ball bracket to give adequate 38 mm displacement needed by the clamp bracket and the inner cable to obtain complete shifting. In case the length of the outer casing of the cable inside the lever bracket is longer, it shall reduce the distance needed for the clamp bracket to properly maneuver the 38 mm displacement, hence only partial shifting shall be obtained. In case the PTO gearbox is equipped with a pneumatic cylinder, please release the air pressure from the cylinder by removing one of the air connector pipes before aligning the adjuster nuts and the ball bracket of the MCL. If the air pressure inside the pneumatic cylinder is not released, the mechanical linkage system shall not move to make the necessary adjustments to the adjuster nuts and the ball bracket.